Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, one thing I'm going to need us to give to uMacele ukuthi when it comes to her children, I akadlali laphayana. One thing, she knows how to put her kids in their place. Remember when ingane yakhe, what is her daughter's name? The youngest daughter. Benengane kaMbali, uMawande, uAwando, something like that. When they came to uMacele and they were complaining about Umnini gets preferential treatment, ngenxa yefoni, something like that. And uMacele is like, yay, lenteni kalayo. Like, she shut that thing right there and then. And I loved that, especially for children abakulela in this holds tembu type of situation. So one of the things we see on tonight's episode, guys, you see uMacele having a conversation no Lwandle, you guys. And all we see her saying on the trailer is that I've never heard ukuthi wena you are raising a hand for a woman. So obviously we're gonna get context from the episode of tonight. But this made me think, remember uMusa at the beginning of this season 8, he said something when he was having a conversation with uMacele. He said there's something that uNwandle did that really got him concerned. Remember izingane zesithembu, guys, the last dinner. uNwandle he lost his temper with Usne, and if it was not for his siblings who held him back, asazi ukuthi if he was going to hit Sne or do what, but it looked like he did want to hit Sne. And uMusa did say yes, granted ukuthi Usne was the one omhlohlile. Sne was the one who provoked him, but it's not good for him as uNwandle, as a guy, to act in that way, because one day uzothi he's fighting with the wife and then amphakamisela isandla. So yeah, uMusa was saying that to uMacele, or I think he was having a conversation with uMacele, and they were saying they have never seen this side of uNwandle. So I am so grateful that she's even having this conversation with uNwandle. Some other parents, guys, or some other people don't see a problem with this. They would have just said, I want to snare usile in and swept this whole thing underneath the carpet to say, which uNwandle is not like that. uNwandle has never hit anyone. But listen, uMacele is trying to prevent any future problems before it even comes by talking noLwandle and telling him, Wuti, listen, this is not the way yes, I've never heard you hitting someone, but listen, we don't do that, you know. And I hope in terms of the context that's right, but it seems about right considering the conversation that uMusa benoMacele had about uNwandle. uNwandle's facial expression, guys, it looked like he was just unbothered. He really looked as if he was unbothered, but that's like out of the many things that you complain about when it comes to Macele, when it comes to her children, guys, she knows how ukuthi abaqondise endleleni, and I'm appreciative for that. I am looking forward to see that scene, guys, and I really hope some of us here in South Africa as parents, maybe we can, you know, sitopenyana some tips there and there ukuthi ingane, one thing, ingane ayikhulunywa, guys. Yes, some situations ingane ingane, you speak for them, but what I'm saying ukuthi at a certain age, guys, that you shouldn't be making excuses, especially GBV is not something to play about, guys. It is a big thing here in South Africa. So please, if you want to keep your sons outside of jail or even your daughters, have the conversation with them, which no matter how umuntu ekuhlanyisa kanjani, and it is like, yes, they were the wrong ones, but never ever stoop to another person's level, especially if that is not who you are. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.